Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. My scoop made of junk and something I folded up the edges of heavy plastic. Those are my scoops. This is my container that I will now put a base layer of Deco Art Americana Dazzling White Pearl in, followed by Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, I think I'm going to put some black in, but I'm going to wait till later. This is Rhapsody Rose. I have Whispering Wisteria. I have Cerulean Blue. I have some Pink Diamond. I have a custom mix of Yellow Orange. I have Fandango. And I'm thinking about doing something a little strange and dragging something through to mix things up a little bit. Before that, I'm going to put some Vibrant Aqua in. Which makes me weirdly enough want orange. I have just enough to spare some. I hope that it's not going to come out. I'm just going to hope it's going to come out mixed. Right down to the bottom of that. I know if I put Dancing Fuchsia in, I'll have trouble. I'm going to throw a little bit of Tickled Pink in if it's open. Which it looks like it's going to take me a second to do that. Or I'll just pull the top off. I have to clean that in a bit. I want some Cerulean C. I looked at it, I saw it, I wanted it. Let's hope this one's open. Yeah. And maybe, just maybe, I have enough paint. And I'm going to give myself a little bit of black, if I can. Which it's looking like I can't. I can. Finish up with a little more white. And a little more gold since I got rid of most of everything. That's the most important part. Now I've got a lid. And I think I'm going to try out a slightly smaller than the shovel scoop at first. I've got something in my paint, I can see it already. And I've definitely got something in my paint over there. So I'll just go over there. And I'm just going to keep making a mess. Although, obviously there's stuff in my black. Which is unfortunate because I used the black for everything. I'm going to grab some green. Try and scrape off the bottom this time. I don't even know if this is going to work. It looks kind of odd. I think I've got more paint than I need. I'm going to switch directions. I'm going to make sure that isn't an object in there. I'm inclined to use chain, which I haven't and don't much lately at all. But it might be fun to try. This is just a sort of a fill in the gaps scenario, and I'm not sure how I'm liking it yet. But it does leave room for flexibility. And I suppose I could definitely just use it to add dots. I'm pushing my luck overlaying things, but I think I need to try something new. So this is that. Could be just a stage one. I think I have to fix something down. This end here. Trying to link up my shapes. I think I might have to take the rest of my paint and do something else with it. For some reason, I'm wanting to just dribble. That didn't work out that badly. That might have actually helped. I have no idea if it's gonna run and blend with itself, which it might well do. I need at least one more spiral. Slightly tighter spiral. Looks a little tidier. Throw some dots in there, it might help. Usually does. Kind of want to scrape that out. I like the colors mixing. They make a funky little ball of multicolored fun. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.